Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your course selection with Arcadia University beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Arcadia University website. Navigate to the academic section of the homepage. Look for the course selection link. Click on the link to access the course selection portal. Log in using your university credentials. Once logged in, locate your degree program requirements. Review any prerequisites for the courses you wish to take. Use the search function to find specific courses. Filter courses by term, department, or level to narrow down your options. Select your preferred courses by clicking on them. Check the course details for time, location, and availability. Add the chosen courses to your cart. Review your course selections to ensure they meet your academic goals. Consult your academic advisor if you have any questions. Remove any courses from your cart if necessary. Proceed to the checkout process once you're satisfied with your selections. Confirm your enrollment by following the prompts. Pay attention to any additional steps required for course registration. Print or save your course schedule for future reference. Check your email for confirmation of your enrollment. Be sure to add important dates to your calendar. Stay informed about any changes to your selected courses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.